between Priscilla Ofori, Kinshasa Street, East Legon, Accra. Now they say Priscilla Ofori na ankasa na kwesiu koye case no. Ono ankasa na de kwinema court. Enye say efia Schwarz nega na kwa abuta na yi. Ono ankasa Priscilla Ofori no. Ena say asema mebeke bia no ena de kwinema court. Eti enye afi na asem ne beba no na ba be si be no ma be say kwinema na kwotwe letter man first ena ono na yesi. Eti Priscilla Ofori ena ene day or they court letter akoma summons akoma kwinema de ye na ye criminal wasn't a police ekwoche no say utu kwan say ukwe business ukwohwe wo ma so mayare ye ma wo nko if you say ade ye criminal nko but ekotwa say civil there na ye onsemfo bibusa na ye say adana ekwoche no there was no court warrant na court ma warrant bia the court of Ghana knew nothing about the harassment and whatsoever that took effect Kotoka International Airport on. There was no court warrant or anything to that effect. Say police F4 frame our and no court and a court to my warrant say you find a blacklisting or airport it will do channel. There's nothing like that. MCC ano say kalete iba and a warrant ne kan court warrant ne kan say ya report to Emma for any criminal charges. It is our time no more wasting in no match no. I don't know police headquarters are wasting a time. I'm went to me uncle, I'm missing a flight, and it's any money in any book. Obina dem Russian and some no yes, idea. And almost all Muduna, and a G. It's a G, no, and net day I make us say, and net, and now Obia Simu Pampampa, Priscilla Ofori.
Okay.
Esimu pampampa ya kose okwa kosamano na okosama obi aye chino ekoshe police station ansani akosamano anasi akosamano wa ama na police for abechi criminal conduct so bad man charges no sabato charges currently ekwachi kwinema wa airport edene ko share police headquarters ne wan nyina no edena fast treatment we agene passport free nsem amana missing a flight are wasting the time. For these reasons, you people had the guts and the nerve. Some of what you will be airport. Are people serious? More running cronies said, a side chick be crew, you have a kind of wofu. Namusun, Nagana penny for moke kem, fe, and yachimao, yasua yesayo, and Yagana coming to police for it to be what you will be and Sani Aquaco Samine or court. Where is the court warrant? Kwinema was detained in the Ghana airport without any court warrant. Now let's come back to Baba Jamal. Because almost say, the government of the day, no, and they in bed, no, what's your controlling system? To the extent, sir, by force, illegally, or no one yajane, who can't send me any case or building and then fire, or bet me by force or airport, near Joe passport by force, everyone send. Near the Wakwa police station by force without any charges. Near waste two time. Yama one two kwanya she since the Bena Ghana Bay say kurasiwe. Ye ka mo mienka.
Abusuan say atim legal wife for say chese. OdoBroni ene ne lawyers omayo ma adwen say omode eye takashi ene eba eye tim legal wife one so aba be chiche wo mo esan say kwan omofa so e de che kwinema no omahwehwem say enye ne kwan so ano no adofo eba ne sen ene omohu saa secret we na eye nra na wo say kwinema mo omkopi mo court no yese nra ena che OdoBroni ene ne lawyers omunya akwan e serve kwinema court sermon a che say date no eye nra. And no, not just a team legal wife for actual Madrian Basso say, inti arrest na, Cochi a Quinema, our airport on person Montre say, a criminal ways and the cocochi a Quinema, as I say, she entered say, date the coche no, a police be, and a sumaya, and I say a court be, and a suma say, Emphalet and comma a Quinema. Neomono, a OdoBroni ankasa, and I say, some more personal police be na alleged no the Kofi Quinema or airport on na no na just legal wife for Kwaku Christo. Na near assembly sui pa and or case. In this same way no more complaining on one. Ghana police for almost an akase omomla no me pacho empo enimguase na omde gu Ghana mpanifo no adofo omo say ya hwehwe ma hwan mo na aye force arrest ana say illegal arrest hwan mo na OdoBroni ne nklofo nti eba ne sen na chese obi amansa mo ya awe say waye bibi bone na mo baba beche no momfa kwan pa so emfa nche no na emu ndra mo amo kokoto se ndra na munya kwan serve am court sermon na no na tim legal wife for kase nti de be nti se nipa no nya bone ya eba ne sen na mutumi ko stop no airport ete no esanje ne passport ne de keka ho na chese mo ankasa no mayo mo adwen se dia oman no mo de bi na no na chese kwagu Kristo ka kire Baba Jamal esanse wo mo na ehye sa adwumadi we yati na obisa ne se oma ban na ete so enu nti na ama omonam esumase chicheche nkrofo enye ne kwan so ano no ana se de bi nti a na eno na so mo ba abontin be complain a omo sane so bo ebo omo se omo gu aban ni ma ase adofo timlika wife nti ase ne ebe kwakwa kotie letter na achese ebe to odwa charges am dia boy ekwinema that particular day na omkoche no mo ntumi amfa mo no nemu ndra mo no mo de charges na eba abontin ye no na matim legal wife mo so mo nti ase meso se won so be hye wadwen kire o comment section wo uti video no
na me be read ema letter no na afi ya discuss say na say na letter na kire na say civil dia de enti no mo koyire no airport e de enti ne go to mu sa process na ne
why is it ema asem no and omo ko court na so man ko I want person
ama go court ama brand letter so omra court.
Okay.
It's ever say sama letter. But letter someone say bibia ni mu a friend say criminal. It's ma me read
the letter no airport one na o my police case ara say any police case there but
na police case bia ni because
any for those days
criminal it's airport one dey adwuma na mo hye to no so
na say adwuma dey esa mra adwuma any so bet me si wo mu for delay
for no reason. Because we say na mo dey brand no ka mo betimi dey brand no airport eto goduru a eda ne du ano asa atwa plane no aba ana obetimi to bi ana be sina
go betimi dim na fa
ba mo chain na dey mo chain na ade we na mo dey aba no there is nothing like your friend say
that's about now case that's after case no which means so betimi si wo mu for
na make us say we defamation it is on so wo bibi e che say obi so defam on so bet and so obi atimi because as we see an open here the matter
almost have posted the pictures with that police.
Yes,
with that police
defamation of character ni bia the omo post the pictures say or a criminal wa bra e kochi am robbers
and one am person mo ti ase
e ade to mani
and one person mo ti ase
to am kan we ne yen ko school ka kredua
to aso
eti we say rate of sermons are issued from Accra date near 2004-2026 suit number near GT 0634
now say date ni started now
and
that's a phenomenology case before the also was
that no
a nice case
I say between Priscilla Ofori, Kinshasa Street, East Legon, Accra. Now they say Priscilla Ofori na ankasa and a pursue quiet case no. On one ankasa na de kunema court. And you say a fear shwas nega na kwa abuta na yi. On one ankasa Priscilla Ofori no. And I say asema mebe kebia no and a de kunema court. Eti enya afi na asem ne beba no na ba be si be bi no ma be say kwinema na kwotwe letter man first and ono na yesi eti Priscilla Ofori ena ene dey o de court letter akoma summons akoma kwinema na ye be kan ahwe say ade bi kwinema de ye na ye criminal e wo se na police ekwochi no say utu kwan say ukwo business ukwohwe wo ma so mayare ye ma wo nko if you say ade ye criminal nko but the could say civil there, nanny or in same for Bibusa. Eti Rebecca or say Priscilla Ofori, between Priscilla Ofori, Kinshasa Street, East Legon Accra, and Cindy Emma Kumsen, alias Quinema, Trasacco Valley, Accra, to Cindy Kumsen, alias Quinema, an action having been commenced against you by the issue of this writ by the above named plaintiff, Priscilla Ofori. An action. Okay, hold on. Okay, you are hereby commanded that within 8 days after service of this writ on you. Okay, hold on. I'm in kind of free. Or say, you are hereby commenced that within 8 days after service of this writ on you, inclusive of the day of service, you do cause an appearance to be arrested, to enter for you, and take notice that in default of your so doing, judgment may be given in your absence without further notice to you. Dated 20th of April, Chief Justice of Ghana assigning PA, bless you, PA Bafubone Chief Justice. Now, if you share the entire, you see, no. Now, I say, I don't know watching, there was no court warrant. Now, court to my warrant, the court of Ghana knew nothing about the harassment and whatsoever that took effect. Our Kotoka International Airport. There was no court warrant or anything to that effect. Say police F4 echo frame our ma and court and a court to my warrant say you find blacklisting or airport it will do and channel. There's nothing like that.
Kwagu, maybe a question. Let it be a sealed piano. Chief Justice signature also.
Also, because see the end the Chief Justice and they say, baby, you will be I said the end one here because CID boss, no. See CID for what you so near you may it's the Chief Justice stamp.
Okay.
Now I say representing Ghana.
Okay.
It's the member say I can say, Siciano, say Kalete Ibai, and a warrant ne can court warrant ne can say, a report to Emma for any criminal charges. It is our time no more wasting in an channel. I don't know police headquarters. I'm wasting a time. I'm went to me uncle. I'm missing a flight. And it's money in any book. Obina dem Russian and some no yes, I did. And I'm so many and a G. It's a G, no, and that day I make us say, and now Obi a simu pam Priscilla Ofori.
Okay.
A simu pam say. Okwa ko samai no na okwa samai obi aye chi no ekwohye police station ansane akwa samai no anase akwa samai no wa ma na police for abechi no me kan ade na ye me de na me say be kan the last part ewo Ghana mremuntie or say the last part or see you are hereby commanded that within 8 days after service of this writ on you inclusive of the day of service you do cause an appearance to be entered for you and take notice that in default of your doing, judgment may be given in your absence without further notice. 80 say uni okwampuna and can semna ode bano and I'm saying civil case no e ke betimi aka say wa ma yama you judgment wo wachi
Wa ma
fine wana gwabitia. So there's nothing criminal here. There's nothing criminal here. I just say Kunema Koye Bibi. Now say date here, the ama confused. They say, and then I actually will be. Yachi will be days back, not days forward. Now I was saying who say yes, a court warrant. We have clear video. If you are niggas, so the court warrant in the chain.
Yeah.
So right now, no, it's an ambush, and I are setting Ghana airport, and I Kunema drew on I the ambush at Chino. Yachi no, and I have four so. Akọ court akọ samai eti which switch civil case no court wo kọ na akọ samai obi said the number here bailiff and the be pie no that's it
Exactly.
Eti ade no esi Kotoka International Airport no there are cameras in the airport and this is a clear case of abuse and harassment, abuse of power. enti asebwe na mo de beto ma so say defamation no de mo de aye no so besiu akina meni ni kwene ma so mekọ court na so akọje wo rates na so de
mamuwie case na sane ana ye no judgment
ne pass there be meba 80 meba o ade na ye kind is see any date it on what basis did they stand so on my confiscating the passport.
You know, I think some lawyers.
Mamen kind. Eti ema charges I dey born na me ba be kind no.
Okay.
Ma dey we disturb me ba.
Into kwakuna just say him for na stop on airport na.
I know they are lokoti. I said the first lady doing police you know aka.
Le ba so me nyaba. E da no mo call. Omodi kwe ma call no. According to the MTA free nipa wodi na chi call no. Yeso ombusa police fo no kura no. Na case bia no ya tretia no. Na obi am case na court e bia no according to mo na call ya no moji. No mo kasa bi kasa ne. Criminal conduct.
So bad charges no sabato na ye to aso charges currently e kwachi kwinema wo airport e de ne ko share police headquarters ne wan nyina no e de na fast treatment we agye ne passport free ne nsem ama na miss ne flight I wasting the time aye bibia no me ba be kan or say the plaintiff claims against the defendant for declaration that the words published by the defendant on the subject video about the plaintiff are untrue and defamatory. Oman ka asem ko video ben no. Oda ka mutimi state say video so and so posted on your page this date day. Anyway, you call summons near discuss it. We have every right to discuss and dissect into this document and ask questions about why the authorities of Ghana have taken these actions and prevented someone from boarding a flight. When they had bought their tickets, they were traveling on another nationality's passport and they still had the power, the gut to confiscate a passport that does not belong to Ghana. And then come out only to tell us that whoever they said sent them to do that, reported, and whoever they said on their behalf they had been issued a court warrant for such a preposterous, a harassment, an action that this lady can never forget in her life. Such a disgrace. And now the court the summons comes with today's date, and this is baffling my mind. It's about ready or say one year say declaration say Quinema why video be Wama modi oman chile video kro oman kan se mo kan bombe so mo chese ase mo kan no video no nyampa etiensati o say order for interim and perpetual injunction restraining defendant either by herself, her agents, her assigns or any other persons whoever claims through her from publishing or causing to be published, shared, disseminated, transmitted in any other or manner the offensive and defamatory publications about the plaintiff on her social media platforms. It's almost so much as Siciano, Quinema, almost say, can say, the social media platform, their video, and that's why. And non a year about Sagi on a court to find injunction. I'm a too soon, my writing out for Ghana. Court to find injunction, but to social media.
It's just a court on any account and information. No, lawyer
social media account or so. For these reasons, you people had the guts and the nerve. Some of what you will be airport. Are people serious? More running cronies said, a side chick be crew, you have a kind of wofu. Namusu, Nagana penny for moke kem, fe, and Yachimao, yes, why you say you, and your Ghana coming to police for it to be what you will be and Sani Aquaco Samine or court. And so Mamma Kosia Sewa, Mamma Kosia Brempomani, Mamma Kosia Sewa, Omudi Omko police for no cry and Cochini Pano. But wait, dear, Awurade Nyankopon na de akuroni. First lady, maame akosu say one maame akosu abrempoma ko hu police for ye mfre obi anche no.
Omukọ ya mfre won.
Priscilla Ofori na ni din abaso eti ye ono na ye. Priscilla Ofori nko frɛ obi a onko report we, onko court nko bo amane enso on be etimi chikwinema e wo Ghana airport e de ko detain no CID for headquarters obi aya we. How powerful she is. Priscilla is so powerful. We applaud for you. Madam President of Ghana running the nation. Priscilla Oforiata. Una wan kosu anyere. When Siabontin tana them who says now running Ghana. You are running the whole country. Yeah, that's it. Because the President of Ghana Krano. So Kase will be a video at 2 on an Indian one. And yes, sure say, Yabeko Chino at Jenny passport, Amana na going to Abono, and son on Onako court, Nebuajon on Wako court, Akosama Kosamano. Hey, my idea, Ghana 24. My idea, much or Damoma, and Cranketing getting a side take for. My idea, papa. It's when you have documents when you are the count. Some of New York, baby, I'm more can near Bishamwa. Near their church, some of F1, I'm on mobile Brabidin Common. Yadamo, say my idea. Say, I go Baba, who pay me running system, they say. It makes you be the channel. How? Priscilla Oforiata. Ghana for Edwards level, what it? That the Lumba training or today was start with me, our own system. No, my idea. It's moment kind to us where there's nothing criminal. Men can't be criminal. And also, I am a say, also known as Kulumba. Waman can say, I'm also a Kulumba. If it's also a Kulumba, they are some Casio.
And the bread and a
problem, also, what you should be a Kulumba name. It's my smart. It's the idea where I know it doesn't justify the fact to say, why not cheap Quinema? Because Priscilla, they allow suit to Nodiaba, a lawsuit, anybody can go to the court and sue anybody any day.
Any idiot can go to court.
Quinema, you will be a chin, I am an uncle.
Kwaku. You cool man, you mukrade korumu.
Mama kind last one on man. The last one, Munti is a Lumba woman. Or say order directed a defendant to unreservedly apologize to the plaintiff and retract the offensive and defamatory statements published about the plaintiff. Oman can be biase Lumba woo. Oman can be biase or the Marble to Omachi. Oman can be biabo say, and was all known as Aqua Priscilla Chow. Now, also people be a Chawa. And also using the whole Ghana itinerary, machinery like airport system. And the detain will be now must negotiate police headquarters by force. Airport police station by force.
Kwaku.
And say, hey, ready assembly.
Kwaku, I charge the great and quick case. The way I say now, also quick case.
Now, was here, channel. There is no person in Ghana. You know, be a bold Ghana. Because police report. I'll be looking for that. They may hear a police report, so we deal also, and you will see. Because
so OdoBroni or pregnant crime in Yampa, Lumba was on the count, Ampanema.
One can share. When to me, I can say, Quinema did not attempt so I say, and now I say, maybe a video number. It's one money. And the past year, American class for Look and Kana Mutimuna, Nyansa Kitikiti Prano, a being shed an impany for a bear 80% in Trimono.
Not money, and quality DNA didn't account. Nanka Butuafana for soccer dinner. I say, you cry, you need to say DNA.
That's one money now.
That's all money to talk. And
I had a court warrant, Omafa court warrant beyond a chima. Omafa court warrant beyond a chima. Harassment or harassing him and I say, more the police apparatus, no, and more control. Boss, so I'm saying, Kwabotamo, any no quite be so. 8 years,
you're too quiet. So we can also make sure because unlawful arrest.
Of course, Onyamoshe must say in Yamabi.
Almost say I'm going to
almost saying in Yamabi.
For Bagana,
say mental health by Queen Mama mental health. My say, buy in a criminal. why say etia hunehuna a mo be hunehuna be
Ajagreja say they can't be Ajagreja say
mo say no mo say obi di aka na asem on social media so say asem no video no say doctor because mutimi doctor Priscilla, don't say na why you were pie. Why you were never pie? E ya den na only kwene manya asem. Say wo so de on kasa bibia mfa ho. Won say wo suma freedom ani be didi ma ame akosua say watem. Wo de won pese be wo akwachi obi. Just say we asem woni nyansa che obi amebo a. Na e twa na fie na you. Ade na me ka de enti aye che no. Afi de waka wa asem to o mepa wa che o. Oba be pa wa che o. Na emom say wa ama na anko Germany amoje ne German passport no. Onim de amode Onima duro cross wa amode ko ye. Onim ba bi amode ko wura ye. Eti Priscilla Ofori me ka asem bi a kire mo ne. Ade na amoye no. Ano odin. Na amode e mo say de mo pese mo ye bi amonye wate. Ade bi am because let ya kind is here. There is nothing criminal and only a criminal case. Enkwa. And ebetimi prevent you obi say obetu kwan from Ghana. And no, there has to be a court warrant. And yes, sir, any Panura airport name. Once you take a boarding pass, nobody has the right to arrest you on the soil of Ghana. Nobody, unless say a narcotics case and I say something with national security. So for a civilian case, say Priscilla Ofori say Obia can send defamatory against her. No, why was Quinema treated like Obia were a criminal? Why all those mark shots? Why was she treated? Who is Priscilla Ofori to the state of Ghana now? Who is looking at the instances of Quinema's arrest at the airport? The people came out to tell us that there was a court arrest warrant. But looking at this rate of sermons, it bears today's date. It bears today's date. And whatever is in there is a civil case. And henceforth, it was stated clearly that even in your absence, they can pass judgment. So why confiscate the lady's passport? Why? Why use the police force to go and arrest something that is a civil case? The police is supposed to move when it's a criminal case. And the police and the criminal investigative department is supposed to move when it's a criminal case. But as some here can go police headquarters, adenti and a rate of sermons where the buy no. But what's now police headquarters? Now you try and picture like a criminal. Why are you people trying to treat us like criminals when we are activists? We are seeking for the truth and the police should be on our side. Why is the police treating activists in Ghana like criminals? Let the rate of sermons were 20th. So on what basis was Quinema arrested? Germany no court and I know First lady, Obi Abetiasa. Now say no. Send him Germany.
No, Germany. No, Germany.
It's not Priscilla Gosune.
One of my Sabrin Point.
It's a Priscilla on the control Ghana airport.
I was just
really?
Really? On no, your call.
Really? Okay.
I saw no, your confession as niggas on the
baby, I do know.
Kwaku
say omuni right bia so omojo passport
case bi say no any power chain no first time our airport yetimi ready case bi say
na make say
any power chain passport
na make say first lady me say omo block
me block pa
no say just make na man here yeah do you information how be no akwa say mama say one dan case no do yes case information madam say to dan ya no a otimi lusu adwuma eno ne ade a ekoso Ghana
I don't make check Quinema say right now she should stand firm and no say they had no right somebody in the passport every them say no na juma why say you blogging and out of the blogging no wakwa blogging no be say one can say yeah yen the passport ubesiu no say the narrate number no post to no make sure say nsabeka and
no sir We are Ghana near we say Ghana.
Debbie.
Obi
But I'm telling you, sir. I'm telling you, sir. Sansana Airport, there has to be a court warrant. There has to be a warrant from the court of law in Ghana.
Number one, Kwema issue Jama passport. I think say nice case.
They have treated me like a criminal. If you go to Kotoka right now, you can pull up all the camera and whatever, how they treated me. They handcuffed me. They have taken mug shots of me. Even when they get criminals, they say they are suspects. They don't show their faces. But they did this to me. And only for today, no normal they let her say a civil case. So why was she being treated like a criminal? Why was she arrested like a criminal? Only to wait, say, Obiako file case and then Obiko file case yachi Quinema 3-4 days ago. How does that happen? And then I say, see it. And then I say, First Lady, you can't no. You can't na me kind is see and you see Quinema Boniviana. I say video no can say woman I say.
There be your man can.
Eti then ye chino before say omobekwa acquire court report no. And then 21st January.
Omu intimidate no.
Chino omo chino no. Eni bukum.
There be any
court warrant bia no omode chino.
There be.
Eti me say, me say Quinema when near the Akojema members in there. Kokachi omo say, we are activists. You pay the chira omo. If they want people to testify, let them call me. Catch a German embassy for and catch up. This is how. Oma me sandelo, oma mo anko, oma nyina no, oma ntimi. This go and tell the German embassy all this.
Yeah. Saga bully. Oma
waste time. Kunema man chimobia. Thomas was can't sue them. Can't sue the German embassy mem. Na German embassy Ghana airport authority say a dear court warrant no more. Omoni see wo. Police station and treated you like a criminal. And you try to mark shot in the atu abonten. Ewa abra no ya against police imra. Police force amuchi obi a we suspect until some court be prove so guilty no. Muntimi fa na ni moment was
there be.
Etimu de nani ma beto atwa maga tie na sesi so ono obi ye contract ono obi ye adwuma wa abrochira okwa obi betimi hu ama na Lucy but ene na mo enra na mo kwaje court rates of summons e de aba but meanwhile no lawyer kwasi ampanyi na ono di ma me we yachi no sa de na yachi ma no obetro ba no ni rate of summons. Do you see how these people motherfuckers are running the system?
No ni be
Okwasi a lawyer na nim say what so nya rate of summons and sana yakochi obi what so nya court warrant and sana yakọ airport no munim say Ghana for obi adwena da no bebre dodo na adwena da no na wo kwasi ampanyini what na wana illegality we cause with Quinema no wo say abet type say must start say mo chi man for why is the court warrant motherfucker like you? Why is the court warrant? Quinema was detained in the Ghana airport without any court warrant. Now let's come back to Baba Jamal. Because almost say, the government of the day, no, and they in bed, no, what's your controlling system? To the extent, say, by force, illegally, or no one yajane, who can't send me any case or building and then fire, or bet you by force or airport, near Joe passport by force, everyone said. Near the Wakwa police station by force without any charges. Near waste two time. Yama one to kwanya she since the Bena Ghana Bay say kurasi we. Ye ka mo mienka.
Like video no na share e fama me message o se nane da ID kan oba channel ne so a e ma ren fi se oba subscribe se na ble bia mo ye no wi a na do nsa abo ye be notification ne so se na ble bia me video no nso nsa betumi aka new update.